Good morning, everyone. Today, George and I will be negating this resolution, resolved that the United States federal government should substantially increase space exploration. I'd first like to clarify some definitions, especially space exploration. All these terms are defined by Oxford Advanced Learner's Dictionary. Space is defined as the area beyond Earth's atmosphere, and exploration is the act of traveling through a place in order to find out about it or to look for something in it. The atmosphere, defined by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Atmosphere is defined as beyond the Earth's exosphere, which is 10,000 kilometers. And I'll go over the burdens again. To win this debate, the affirmative must prove why there is a need for change and how their plans substantially increases space exploration, and why space exploration should be increased, what they're trying to achieve, and how their plan is both practical and desirable. Okay, so one of Sean's contentions was that was discovery and how it's human nature to discover things. That is true. However, there's also other places unexplored, like the ocean, where humans can venture there. And also the motivations for space exploration are so vague that it is not clear why space exploration is particularly a good way of satisfying them. There are many other places where we can explore, like the human mind and the human body, or the Earth's oceans. Robert's contention that there's spin-off technologies for space. Why can't I say this word? Okay, so there were many spin-off technologies from space exploration, but now we're likely to get a smaller return for each additional dollar spent. It is not clear that spin-off technologies can be expected from the new programs that the U.S. government is running, because technology development is not central to it. A Congressional Research Service report pointed out that NASA has cut back research in nanotechnology and robotics to pay for the design and prototyping of new launch vehicles that will be new in a sense, but based on principles developed by the Apollo program 4 decades ago. The payoffs from these programs are not guaranteed. We cannot predict that spin-off technologies will result from space exploration, and there are much better dollar-for-dollar returns elsewhere. Alright, with that, I'd like to propose a counter plan. Instead of exploring space, we can explore our own ocean floor. In the ocean, there are many untapped resources like oil, minerals, and life species. Also, there's a lot we can learn about tectonic plates and earthquakes from the ocean. Oceans cover more than 70% of Earth's surface, yet according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, 95% of the ocean remains unexplored. There are over 1 million known marine plants and animals. However, according to an environmental report by Yale in 2010, a 10-year inventory of marine life estimates that 60 to 80% of species in the world's oceans remain undiscovered, which may be as many as 7 million species. Ocean exploration also provides many benefits. The NOAA says that on ocean exploration trips, scientists found enzymes that had become critical to industries that replicate DNA. New anti-inflammatory drugs are being produced from deep-sea organisms. Researchers at Scripps Institution of Oceanography at the University of California in San Diego have found that sediments in the deep ocean are a significant biomedical resource for microbes that produce antibiotic molecules. These researchers say that finding new sources of medicine is becoming extremely important because Earth's bacterium is becoming increasingly resistant to current antibiotics. Additionally, the excitement and frontier spirit we get from exploring space can also come from the ocean. In 1998, a report by the Department of Commerce said, "Ocean exploration gives mankind a sense of human progress and heritage. It provides the It provides the experience and knowledge necessary to undertake stewardship of the ocean and its resources, and thus sets a course for future generations to navigate. What lies ahead is still unknown. Whatever it is, however, will be influenced by what is found through tomorrow's exploration, and will likely be different than today's predictions. According to the NOAA, the 2011 budget was about $5.6 billion. This is less than a third of NASA's budget. With an increased budget, the NOAA will have the opportunity to explore the oceans much more. Space and the ocean are both unexplored frontiers, so why not explore the one closer to home, less expensive, and safer option? For all these reasons and more, I urge negative vote. Thank you.